How to install GM Financial app. So just tap get and then you will be able to install it. Just double click. And this is the app you can install. GM Financial mobile app gives you convenient and secure access to your GMFF account anytime, anywhere. Whenever your journey takes you, you have the tools you need to make payments, update information, and keep your Chevrolet GMC Cadillac on track. Make a payment or set up autopay, see your payment history, manage multiple accounts. You can access your account easily, and then you can just log in with Face ID. See all of these things, and then if you just open it up, you can allow notifications, and then just here you can see all the scheduled payments, amount to pay. Just set up auto pay. There is some customer support team, and then you can just see your statements here in the app. So this is just like a convenient app for you to manage all these payments, and then you can just easily create an account and get started. Just enter your account information here. So that's what it is.